Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is a 1,700 mm, 66.9-inch wingspan warbird designed for adult RC enthusiasts. This 6-channel model includes flaps, LED lights, and retractable landing gear for a realistic flying experience. It comes in a PNP, plug-and-play, configuration, meaning the radio, battery, and charger are not included and must be purchased separately. This RC plane is modeled after the legendary Tuskegee Airman's Redtail P-51 Mustang, a historically significant World War II fighter. The aircraft's scale details, smooth EPO foam construction, and high-quality decals make it visually striking. Its powerful brushless motor and efficient ESC provide excellent thrust, making it capable of aerobatic maneuvers like loops, rolls, and inverted flight. With electric retractable landing gear, takeoffs and landings are smooth, enhancing realism. The functional flaps improve control and stability, especially during low-speed operations. The LED lights allow for better visibility, making dusk and dawn flights more immersive. This model is ideal for experienced pilots, as it requires assembly and tuning. It's compatible with 6S LiPo batteries, providing strong power and longer flight times. Since it's a PNP version, users must pair it with a compatible transmitter and receiver. Overall, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is a high-performance warbird with realistic features, durable construction, and powerful flight capabilities, making it a top choice for RC aviation enthusiasts looking for an immersive and historically inspired flying experience. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a 4-channel, for CH, RC trainer airplane designed for beginners, kids, and adults. It features a 500 mm, 19.7-inch wingspan and comes in an RTF, ready-to-fly, package, meaning it includes everything needed to fly right out of the box, including the transmitter, battery, and charger. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, this plane offers smooth and stable flight, making it ideal for new pilots learning to fly. The 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow users to gradually build their flying skills. The beginner mode provides full stabilization, the intermediate mode offers partial assistance, and the expert mode allows for full manual control, giving advanced pilots the ability to perform aerobatic maneuvers like loops and rolls. A key feature is the propeller saver, which helps protect the motor and propeller from damage during crashes, extending the plane's lifespan. The lightweight yet durable EPP foam construction ensures resilience against minor crashes and rough landings. Powered by an efficient coreless motor, the Sport Cub provides a decent balance of power and flight time, making it great for outdoor use in calm wind conditions. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures stable control and minimal interference, allowing multiple planes to fly together without signal issues. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is an excellent beginner-friendly RC plane, offering easy handling, durability, and progressive learning modes. Its RTF setup, gyro stabilization, and propeller protection make it a great choice for those new to the RC flying hobby. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, EFL 15250, is a versatile STOL, short takeoff and landing, aircraft designed for pilots who enjoy both traditional and off-runway flying. With a 1.5-meter, 59-inch wingspan, this bind-and-fly (BNF) basic model comes with AS3X and Safe Select stabilization, but requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately. Powered by a powerful brushless motor in 58 ESC, the Turbo Timber offers excellent thrust and performance, enabling quick takeoffs, smooth aerobatics, and stable landings. The functional flaps further enhance short takeoff and landing capabilities, making it ideal for rough terrain and small flying spaces. One of its standout features is the included set of floats, allowing for exciting water takeoffs and landings. The plane also comes with large tundra-style wheels, making it well-suited for grass, gravel, and dirt runways. LED navigation and landing lights add realism and improve visibility for low-light flying conditions. With Safe Select, beginners can activate self-leveling and bank angle limits for added safety, while experienced pilots can turn it off for full manual control and aerobatic flight. The AS3X, Artificial Stabilization, 3-axis, system helps counteract wind and turbulence, keeping the plane steady in various conditions. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPO foam, the turbo timber is both rugged and reparable. Its quick connect wing struts make assembly easy, and the high wing design ensures excellent stability in the air. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is a high-performance, feature-packed STOL RC plane that appeals to both beginner and advanced pilots, thanks to its stabilization technology, float and tundra wheel options, and powerful motor for dynamic flight performance. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Airplane is a 2-channel, 2CH, remote-controlled glider designed for beginners, kids, and adults. Operating on a 2.4 GHz radio system, it provides stable control with minimal interference, allowing multiple planes to fly together. This lightweight aircraft features a built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which enhances flight stability and makes it easier for beginners to control. The self-leveling system ensures smooth handling, reducing the chances of crashes and making it a great entry-level RC plane. Constructed from durable EPP foam, the FX803 is highly resistant to damage from minor crashes, making it perfect for new pilots. The glider-style design helps with efficient flight, offering extended airtime with minimal power consumption. Its coreless motor provides adequate thrust for gentle takeoffs and stable cruising. While not built for aerobatic maneuvers, the FX803 excels at smooth and controlled gliding, making it an ideal choice for learning the basics of RC flying. With simple 2-channel controls, throttle and directional turns, users can easily operate the plane without worrying about complex maneuvers. The included rechargeable battery offers a reasonable flight time per charge, and the USB charger allows for convenient recharging. Overall, the Makerfire FX803 is an affordable, beginner-friendly RC airplane with gyro-assisted flight stability, durable foam construction, and simple controls, making it a great choice for first-time pilots looking to enjoy RC aviation with ease. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for both kids and adults. It features 3 flight modes, making it easy to control and gradually improve flying skills. These modes include beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing pilots to start with assistance and progress to full manual control. With its user-friendly design, this RC plane includes a 1-key U-turn function, simplifying direction changes and making it easier for beginners to fly without losing control. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures a stable connection with minimal interference, enabling multiple planes to fly together. Built from lightweight and durable EPP foam, the Leambe RC plane can withstand minor crashes and rough landings, making it ideal for new pilots learning to fly. Its efficient motor system provides smooth takeoffs and stable flight performance, perfect for outdoor use in calm wind conditions. The aircraft comes with a rechargeable battery, offering a decent flight time per charge. The USB charging option makes it convenient to power up the plane for extended play sessions. Overall, the Leambe RC plane is an excellent choice for beginners, thanks to its easy controls, 3 flight modes, durable construction, and beginner-friendly U-turn feature. It provides a fun and engaging RC flying experience for pilots of all ages.